Hi guys. Alright, so today we'll be looking at exponential expression and equations. What is exponential expressions and equations and how does it operate? Now, firstly, an exponential expression is a mathematical expression in which a constant base is raised to an exponent variable. Simply, it is expressed in the term a raised to power x, where the a here is the base and here is your variable. Now, another word that is used for exponentials are words like power or indices. Okay, so but this is just the foundation of it. Now, when ax is now equated to something like maybe 2, this becomes an exponential equation because an equation has an equality sign. Now, an exponential equation is normally written as or represented mathematically as a is equal to a dot b f of x is equal to c. A, b, and c are all constants. In this term here now, a is a coefficient and b here is the base of what? Your exponent. And c here is a constant, a given value. Okay? One thing you should note also is that in every time or likely or condition, your base must be greater than 0. And likely your base should not be equal to 1. These are the standard in which the base here should occupy in an exponential equation. It is always greater than 0 and likely not to be equal to 1. So it is not equal to 1. So this is it. So it should be an integer, a positive integer that is greater than 0 and likely not to be equal to 1. So you can see exponents in different form. We have the simple exponent where you have a raised to power x, something of such nature. We have a complex one where you have something like exponent 2t, where you are dealing with arithmetic and this. Then we still have more complicated one where you can say something like 2x raised to the power of 2x raised to the power of something of s plus 3, something of such nature. So this is just an intro class to exponents. In the next class, we will handle some questions that have to do with exponents. See you there. Bye for now.